Anydesk is the fastest and most affordable remote control software in the world. You can access your devices on all platforms. Let's see how to install Anydesk on Android. First, we need to go to Google Play. So, open Google Play. On the search above, write Anydesk. Now tap on the search. After you have found the app, just tap on Install and wait. You have now installed Anydesk on your Android device. After the install is complete, just tap on Open. When you open the app, you will get a tutorial on what you can do on the app. You will see here the ID of your phone. Also, you will have the possibility to connect to a remote address here. Now, let's check a bit the settings.